I got Whirlpool's newest front loader. And sometimes you might, hopefully, but just in case, those are called the Baffles, and they do break occasionally. Something inside the tub can hit them and they snap, and sometimes you do need to change them. So I want to show you how to replace the Baffles and pull them out, pop them in. All right, this one already taken out. So looking at the bottom of this, they do have little tabs, and you look at the base, if you notice, it starts at the back, and to lock them in, you would pull forward. So to lock them in, they're forward. So to release, you're going to push back towards the back. All right, so let's rotate the drum. This is on a brand new machine, by the way. Machine was never used and got damaged. And we have the... All right, so to remove, push. Sometimes you have to use a little tap. If not, just push. It will be free. All right, a little bit of effort. And once you get it all the way back, you pull forward just a little bit and lift up. Now, you want to make sure that you don't damage the tabs. And to install that, you're going to start at the back. Now I'm going to leave these off, so I'm not going to pull forward. But what you do, you would just yank forward, and then you would check your work, make sure it's all the way back, forward. All right. Taking this one out. And we have one more to take out. So you have some good practice. Again, push forward. 1, 2, 3. Sometimes you gotta tap it. It's kind of difficult. Hit it with your hand, just like that. All right. Thanks for watching.